Okay, so this idiot right here is trying to scam me. So I told him I'll be right back. I'm going to say back. He said okay. So he's probably going to ask me for my password because I'm acting like I want this cheat on Jailbreak that allows you to speed hack. And I said okay, and he said you want cheat, and I said yes, and he said trust me, okay, and I will be back. It's safe. So this guy does not know proper English. So he said okay, let's start now. He said actually, can I use your account to put the cheat? And I said, I won't unfriend you, scammer. And then he said, no, I'm not a scammer. Dude, what scammer? And I said, be right back. And he said, huh? And I said, be right back. And I said, back. And then he said, okay, I will back at safety. So I will be right back whenever he actually starts talking to me again, because I don't know what he's doing. So he said bye, be right back tomorrow. So tomorrow I will maybe create another upload. So yeah, see ya.